Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw appointment reminders from SimplePractice into Twilio SMS. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw appointment reminders from SimplePractice into Twilio SMS, start by logging into your SimplePractice account. Navigate to the Settings section of your account. Locate the Appointment Reminders option in the Settings menu. Click on this option to view your current reminder settings. Next, gather the necessary information for your Twilio account. Log into your Twilio account in a separate browser tab. Find your account ID and auth token on the Twilio dashboard. Keep this information ready as it will be required later. Now, head back to SimplePractice and copy the relevant appointment details you wish to send as SMS. Open a new tab and log into your preferred code editor or scripting environment. Install the Twilio library if you haven't done so already. Use pip to install the Twilio library by running the command pip install Twilio. Create a new Python script to handle the SMS integration. In your script, import the Twilio client by adding from twilio.rest import client. Next, initialize the Twilio client using your account ID and auth token. Set up a function to send SMS messages using this Twilio client. Within this function, define the parameters for the message such as the recipient's phone number and message body. Test your function by sending a sample SMS to ensure it's working correctly. Return to SimplePractice and schedule your appointment reminders as needed. Link the SMS sending function to the appointment reminder notifications. Make sure that every time an appointment reminder is triggered, the SMS function is called. Finally, conduct a test run to verify that the SMS reminders are successfully sent to your clients. Monitor your Twilio dashboard for any logs or errors during the test run. Adjust any parameters if necessary to ensure smooth functioning. Once everything is working, your Twilio SMS should now seamlessly deliver appointment reminders from SimplePractice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.